If you're prepping for the GMAT or working on your MBA applications, you're going to love this week's updates. From a powerful new GMAT official guide error log to critical last-minute test day strategies to fresh MBA salary data, we've got you covered. And remember, every news item that I mentioned today is linked in the description below, so you can dive deeper into anything that catches your attention. All right, so let's get started. The GMAT official guide is an essential prep resource, but let's face it, finding and tracking specific questions in it can be a nightmare. That's where the new 2025 to 2026 OG error log comes in. Created by BB and our dedicated GMAT Club team, this free tool lets you automatically log questions, track your mistakes, and get analytics on your performance. You'll be able to sort by difficulty, focus on your weak areas, and even spot tricky patterns across your practice. There are separate logs for Quant, verbal, data insights, and a main master file, plus an Excel version if you like working offline. Whether you're starting fresh or deep in prep, this is a must-have, so link to download is in the description below. If you're applying to business school this year, round 1, round 2, or round 3, you have to mark your calendar for tomorrow. GMAT Club is hosting its once-a-year essay workshop, bringing together some of the most experienced admissions consultants from top MBA programs. You'll get insider tips on what schools are really looking for, real essay reviews, and actionable strategies to make your application stand out. Schools represented include Harvard, Stanford, Wharton, Kellogg, MIT Sloan, Chicago Booth, Columbia, Yale, Tuck, LBS, INSEAD, ISB, and more. And if you sign up by August 10th, you'll also get 2 weeks of GMAT Club's linear quiz, perfect if you're still working on your test score. Registration link is in the description. GMAT has quietly updated the GMAT Focus Edition score percentiles, and while the changes aren't huge, they can affect how you benchmark your score. In the earlier chart, a score of 695 puts you at the 98th percentile. In the new table, that same 695 is now 97th percentile. A 705 dropped from 99% to 98%, and some scores in the 600 to 650 range also shifted down by 1 to 3 percentile points. Now, why does this matter? Percentiles reflect how you stack up against other test takers, and admissions teams sometimes glance at both your score and percentile. If you've been quoting your percentile based on older data, it's worth updating your numbers. I've linked both the old and new percentile charts in the description below, so you can compare your exact score and see where you stand today. If you've been around GMAT Club, you know that Bunuel's questions are legendary. Now you can access 10 plus years of his work in one place. This mega collection includes tough problem solving and data sufficiency sets, topic-specific directories like probability, geometry, number properties, and yearly best of the best lists going back to 2015. It's like having a Quant boot camp at your fingertips, all free, all linked below. GMAT Club member Vinny 921 shares his prep journey, starting at 355, climbing to the 580 to 595 range, but now stuck short of his 695 goal. His main issues: medium to hard quant and verbal questions, plus time management and data insights. If you've ever hit a plateau, his post is a great read, not just for his experience, but for the community's advice on structured study plans, timing drills, and targeted practice. Link is in the description if you want to see the discussion. 2 weeks before your GMAT can make or break your final score, and GMAT Club has a detailed session showing exactly how to maximize those last days. You'll learn how to use your error log effectively, practice strategically, decide whether to take a final mock exam, and why rest is a critical part of scoring your best. Full replay link is below. Inference questions and critical reasoning can be sneaky. Overreach even a little and you're wrong. In this live session, GMAT expert Harsha breaks down exactly how to identify valid inferences, avoid scope and wording traps, and confidently approach these high-value verbal questions. Expect real GMAT-style exercises and clear step-by-step strategies. Link to join is in the description. If you want your essays to grab an admissions officer's attention, this new session is a must-watch. Former directors from Haas and INSEAD share what elite MBA programs look for, how to tackle open-ended prompts, demonstrate leadership, and show program fit. They also cover the most common essay mistakes and how to avoid them. Full replay is linked below. Which MBA programs deliver the strongest career outcomes? New data from 51 top programs shows Stanford leading an average base salary at $187,000, with Darden and Georgia Terry excelling in employment rates at graduation, and Jimdal topping post-graduation placement at 96.4%. Whether you're aiming for top salaries, fast job placement, or the best recruiter scores, this report can help you choose the right school for your career goals. Full analysis and tables are in the link below. And that's it for this week's MBA and GMAT updates. Every resource, event, and report I mentioned is linked in the description, so check them out if something caught your eye. If you found this helpful, please do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with a fellow applicant. Your GMAT and MBA journey just got a little easier, but anyways, see you guys in the next week. Bye!